train today? Me. Choo-choo, hooray! Choo-choo-choo, the train goes fast. Clickety-clack, it zooms right past. Up the hill and down again. Let's all ride the choo-choo train. Hold on tight, the train goes woo, 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 woo. I'm riding too. Look outside, what do we see? Mountains, rivers, and a tree. Wave to friends as we pass by. Hello, hello, we all say hi. Choo, 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 the train goes fast. Clickety-clack, it zooms right past. Up the hill and down again. Let's all ride the choo-choo train. Hear that whistle blowing loud. Woo, 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 the baby's proud. Steam goes puff, the wheels go round. Happy train with joyful sound. Now we stop, it's time to rest. Train rides really are the best. Bye-bye train, see you again. We love riding choo-choo train. Who wants to ride the train today?
Thanks for watching.